Welcome to the best picks. The best Spikeball set is probably one of the most fun and addictive outdoor games you can play with your friends and family, offering a unique blend of athleticism, strategy, and social interaction that's perfect for all ages and skill levels. This video will cover everything you need to know to choose the perfect Spikeball set for your needs, from considering the size and portability to understanding the different materials and features available. Number 5. Spikeball 3-Ball Set. Get ready for some intense fun with this Spikeball set. It's perfect for backyard games or beach days with friends and family. This portable set lets you play on any surface, grass, sand, even indoors. Set it up quickly and easily, wherever you choose. The set includes 3 balls, the net, and a handy carrying bag. You'll have everything you need for hours of fun. It's made with durable materials, so it can withstand countless games. This is a set that will provide lasting enjoyment. Whether you're a seasoned pro or a complete beginner, this game is easy to learn and endlessly engaging. It's great for all ages. Our goal is to create fun, competitive games that connect people. This set is more than just a game, it's a way to build relationships. What we like. It comes with 3 balls and a convenient bag, perfect for transport and storage. If you're looking for a complete, ready-to-go set, this is it. It's easy to set up and get playing right away, making it ideal for spontaneous games with friends and family. What people say. Spikeball is a backyard game on the outside, but incredibly fun and competitive when you really get down to it. The game is simple, described as something like Foursquare and volleyball combined. The gist of it is that you have teams of 2s and you have 3 hits between you and your partners to hit the ball onto the net. This is compact and easy to set up. Everything is great quality. The net is sturdy and easy to set up, and it stays taut even during intense gameplay. The balls are durable and have just the right bounce, making every round fast-paced and exciting. I love that it's compact and portable, so I can take it to the beach, the park, or anywhere with a flat surface. Plus, the carry bag makes storage and transport a breeze. Number 4. GoSports SLAMMO Game Set. Get ready for SLAMMO, the exciting 2-on-2 game that's like volleyball, but even more fun. It's easy to learn for all ages, and perfect for the beach, backyard, or any outdoor gathering. SLAMMO is an action-packed game where teams work together to return the ball over the net. You only get 3 hits, so strategy is key. It's a blast for the whole family. Everything you need is included: a round net, 3 balls, 1 for practice, 2 for competition, a handy carrying case, and the rules of the game. It's ready to go right out of the box. SLAMMO is perfect for kids and adults alike. It's easy to pick up, but offers a challenging and rewarding gameplay experience for everyone. It makes a great gift too. It's built with high-quality materials, including a high-tension net for optimal bounce and all-surface legs for ultimate versatility. You get premium performance without the premium price tag. Forget complicated setups. With SLAMMO, you can be playing in minutes. It's so easy, everyone will be spiking like pros in no time. What we like. This set includes a training ball to help you master the game, plus a carrying case for easy portability. If you are looking for an affordable yet high-quality set, this is a great option. It's perfect for families and casual players who want a fun, portable game. What people say. SLAMMO has removable net anchors where Spikeball has the anchors built right onto the black frame. SLAMMO does not have a locking mechanism when you insert the black poles into the green legs, where with Spikeball when you insert the frame into the legs it sort of clicks or locks into place. The frame is a sturdy PVC. The net doesn't seem to be inappropriately stretching, provides great tension. It only takes about 5 minutes to set up, less than that to take down. Love being able to store it in a handy carry case. Number 3. Spikeball Original Kit. Get ready for fast-paced fun with the Spikeball Original Kit. It's the perfect game for families and friends to enjoy together, anytime, anywhere. This portable game set is ready to go wherever you are. Set it up on the grass, sand, or even indoors, the fun never stops. The kit includes everything you need: a ball, net, drawstring bag, and rulebook. You'll be spiking in no time. It's made with durable materials, so it can withstand countless hours of fun and competitive play. This is a game that will last. Spikeball is more than just a game, it's a way to connect with others through friendly competition and shared laughter. Join the fun. What we like. It's a budget-friendly option that still provides everything you need to get started. If you're new to the game and want to try it out before committing to a larger set, this is a great choice. The included rulebook makes learning the game easy. What people say. It's super easy to learn and solid for pretty much anyone to play. Overall 10/10. I love how this breaks down and can be carried anywhere. Our family loves this game and we've been able to take it to multiple places, including on vacation. Definitely recommend it. Spikeball is a great game. This set arrived in great condition. If you're considering the game, definitely buy the name brand. The net is sturdy and the instructions are clear, simple for setup. Number 2. Spikeball Pro Kit. Get ready to elevate your game. This kit has everything you need to play like a pro. It features a stronger net and frame, built to withstand even the most intense rallies. Experience unparalleled stability and durability. The new balls are designed to add spin, giving you more control and precision than ever before. Master your shots with ease. This kit includes 2 pro balls, a portable pump with gauge, a convenient backpack, and even a free tournament registration. Everything you need is right here. Designed for serious players, it's the ultimate spikeball experience. Take your game to the next level. We're all about fun competition and building a great community around the sport. Join us. What we like. This set boasts a stronger net and specially designed balls for enhanced gameplay. If you're a serious player looking for a competitive edge, this is the ultimate upgrade. The included backpack makes it easy to transport to tournaments. What people say. The Spikeball Pro version is the only version you should buy, way more durable than the regular one. Easy to set up, and easy to pack up. This version of the popular game of Spikeball is better than the original in many ways. The first and most obvious reason is that it comes with a cool backpack. Inside the bag the components are said to be 30% stronger. Also, it comes with a ball pump which is similar to what you would take blood pressure with. Also there is a hanging attached to zipper plastic measuring device which you can check balls for proper inflation. The Pro set is not for everyone, I get that. The sturdier arms and legs give you a nice peace of mind and the balls are better to hit. The net is easier to put on as it seems more circular than the squarish net on the regular set. This also warps a lot less when you try to tighten the net. The legs fold up a lot easier for more convenient storage. Number 1. GoSports SLAMMO PRO. Get ready for the ultimate backyard game experience. It's built with stronger materials and improved features for endless fun. It boasts a reinforced frame and legs, 200% stronger than the original. Enjoy maximum stability on any surface. The innovative hook system creates a low-profile rim, minimizing those frustrating rim shots. You'll get more successful slams every time. Experience higher bounces and more exciting slams thanks to the improved, high-tension net. It's designed for optimal gameplay. With its all-surface legs and convenient carrying case, it's ready to go wherever you are. Take the fun to the beach, park, or backyard. It offers premium construction without the premium price tag. It's designed in the US and built to last. Upgrade your game day with the GoSports SLAMMO PRO. Order yours today and experience the difference. What we like. It features a reinforced frame and legs for superior stability and a high bounce net for more exciting rallies. If you demand the best performance and durability, this is the set for you. It's built to withstand intense play and provides a consistently great playing experience. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.